You want to swim? Abby, you want to swim? Hello, Paige. Hello. Hello, baby. Hi, baby. It's Ninang.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old.
Yes, please. Ay, pwede ako humingi ng extra sauce. Okay.
Kung gusto mo pa na siya, may order.
Ha?
Kung gusto mo pa na siya.
Kukuha ka. Sige. Ano, pork or shrimp? Pork.
Yeah, pork and shrimp.
Oo.
Hindi, in-order pa ako recently na parang...
Yan?
Hindi, na parang ube.
Million thoughts are spinning around in my head. My pulse won't sit down, 'cause I'm almost there. Now I see you through the window and I'm walking on it.
Hindi, ano to pala?
But I won't let you know. I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. It's too bad you had to leave. Please come back now, baby. Where were we? Such a change in a life. Got the memories still popping up. Show me your heart, I'll show you mine. You go first, I rewind. You're my soul, my heart, my beautiful. You're my first, my last, my wonderful. And I just can't seem to get enough. It's because I love my beautiful. You're my first, my last, my wonderful. And I just can't seem to get enough. It's because I love you most of all.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Sabi mo, hi vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Say yan.
Pag tinanggal to, pwede mo pa rin siya makita.
Oo.
Pwede habang nagre-record o kailangan mo. So pwede ito yung ano mo.
Oo, pwede.
Sundin niya yata si Jemuel tsaka si Belly eh.
Gusto mo makita mo?
Makita yung self mo. Pero kasi di ba pwede mo rin i-lift?
Kaya ka na.
Hindi kasi miss na miss itong bolero ito.
Miss na miss si? Si Cholo. Si Cholo pala, ma. Lang kailangan mo para sumaya. Guys,
Ayun na si Arnold.
flashlight pa pala tong baston mo, ma. Oo, ayun o.
Ay, ang galing nga.
Pero kailangan niya talaga ng battery.
Oo nga, hindi ko nilagyan ng
Oh,
battery.
papabigat pa.
Pamalo ni Mami yan pag may...
Galing ha? May brilyante pa,
Dahil
ma.
nga ni Mami nakakatayo na siya.
May brilyantitos pa dito, mas sa gilid-gilid.
Where's my baby Paige? Hi. Tita Angge. Hi, baby.
Parang medyo 7.5 to 8. Ay, 6 siya last time.
Hello.
Feeling ko yung mga 7.5 to
What? Medyo dala ni Mom G.
Oo, dito. Okay sa'yo, medyo ganito. Oo. Mas
Pangit. Joke. Abby.
Para sa height at all of the above, Food Factor may tulong sa proper growth and development at essential vitamins pa. Laking
Hi. Finally on the way na daw si Liz. Nakailang cancel sa kanya, parang 5 times siya nag-book. Nag-cancel? Ha? Classic eh. Kasi nasa Rockwell na kanina eh. Rockwell area. Ha? Yeah. Dami. Madaling maging kamukha yung face ko sa pansalan niya. Dito si Tracy. Tracy's here. Wait lang. Wait lang. Hold on. Who is that pretty girl? Yes, video. Cholo. Hi, sis. Hello. Oh, wait lang. Mag-chika na kami. Start na to. Okay. Love you. Okay. Love you, bye.
bags. Ito na lang.
Sorry. Wala ka magagawa. Andito to.
Oh, may ano. The blooming
Hello, the blooming Fergie mama. Oh, fresh mo naman.
Grabe yung mga drinks mo. Matamis? Yes. Ay, baka dyan tayo ni Martin. Just food.
Ay,
Alam mo-
forky night na tayo dito.
Grabe, nung nag-check ako sa chair.
Ay, friendly. Yung sa kanya.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Hey, Mark! Sama kita, Mark. Say hi to the vlog. Hi!
Sunny Beast lang.
Paige!
Kasi dalawang injection pa naman eh.
Ang cute!
Parang walang pagkakaiba yung boses nila. Kaya kanina nakita lang, ay, sinabihan ko na si Angel.
Ganyan din ako nung first week ko today. Sumasayaw rin ako eh.
Baby Paige. Hi, Paige! Oh, you know me ah. Oo nga. Pero parang nagugulat siya. Kala niya lang. Oh.
Kita natin
Ang bigat na. Ngawit na. Parang... Cheers. Ang sungit. Video! Hahaha. Huwag na. Alert. Ganon. Mm.